get a couple of minutes of the belt buckle.
All right, let's take a look at a leather belt. And this one, out of the box, I could smell the leather, the strong leather smell. So I love that smell. So let's take a look at it and let's see what you get. First of all, I see a little clip here, and this is a double-sided clip. Of course, there's information on the actual company, more information, but you could clip this anywhere. Set it up either in your office. If you forget your belt, maybe have a separate spare belt if you have it. This is perfect. I like that they give you that part too. Now, if you guys notice, it comes well covered. They give you a bag with it, included with it. So you go for traveling purposes. This is very good. The belt itself is very wrapped up and covered up. So let's take a look at the actual belt. See how it looks like. So this belt is black. Have you guys noticed the leather black? Oh, I love that smell. Both sides stitches are fine stitches. If you guys can see that, everything's fine. And now let's take a look at the actual front of the head of the actual belt. So if you get it, it comes covered up, very sealed, very protected, so you can see how, so you won't scratch it. If you guys see, the belt has a longhorn bull in the front of it. The actual button to release the actual setting, to release the belt in the other end, it's very simple. It's just the knob up and it releases. If you want to cap this and cut it shorter, you can do that. And you can release it from here and shorten it up, this whole system, and then even take it off. So if you ever want to release this or remove it or replace the actual leather belt, you can do that and keep the same settings with your actual metal pieces. Very simple. The whole thing is, look how fine, well made it is. This is flexible here. This part is flexible, so it's adjusted to your body. I'm a big guy, so this is a perfect belt for me. I got the size right for me to fit. All right, very pleased with the belt. Very comfortable, real genuine leather. I like the actual that you can remove this and you can put it on any belt. It doesn't have to be this belt, but it has to have the rail system, and this could go on any other belt. Very beautiful, simple, easy to use. I like the whole clip, the button itself to unbuckle it. I hope you guys enjoy the video.